lost Chris.
Thirty-ninth floor, going up.
Middle car. You're wearing the elevator and they're just in a headspin of confusion the whole time.
Yeah.
While all of us are filming. We need to try to get the middle car.
Why is that?
You'll see.
Alright.
Send this one down. Yeah.
I'm gonna send it down.
48th
super
floor,
floor.
going down.
You're not even filming. I'm
Yeah.
on FaceTime.
Not that he uploads even when he does. Anyway.
We need this one right here.
There goes that elevator.
Look, that's another patio. Is that the hard rock? That's the hard rock. Look, it says on TV.
Jared, move. I need to film. Oh. There's the Citizen M.
Jared, back it up. Jared. Jared. Jared.
Yes.
Move. Oh, yes.
I need to get my cab view.
Yeah, I'm gonna do my photos.
I need to get my cab view.
This one is crazy.
Is this like the fast one?
Don't go anywhere.
I don't know.
Just close it.
Oh God.
Oh my god.
It's more fun on the way up.
Oh, I want to do
We
that.
have to do it on the way up. I think this one's faster. It is. By a lot.
Lobby.
Going up?
Stand.
Going up.
Going up.
Yeah.
Please. Going 40 seconds. Are we going to action it?
Oh, yeah, scan. Yeah. Scan your room key.
You've got to scan your room key. I thought we might.
Right down there.
Thank you.
How much one you go to?
36. please.
36. Oh, scan your card one more time.
There you go.
There we go.
Oh yeah. It's changed now.
36th floor.
Thank you very much.
Take care now.
Water reaction. Super water reaction. Oh, I don't like that.
It's like a relay elevator.
It's like a gurney.
Okay, you cannot compare this to a gurney.
So fuck. Hey guys, this is like an Aiko.
I eco.
Here we go. Let's get his live reaction.
Wait, the spot.
We didn't give him time to think it up yet.
Hey, you got this. I'm not drunk yet for this. I want a beer. Can I get a beer?
Time to go, guys.
I want a ball.
You can't stay.
Why? I wanted to do an elevator.
Yeah,
Do not
Stop. Just imagine you're right.
We must write the
There's
one to the
Jared's
left.
ass. Jared, you're in the way of the leveling you. I don't want to see your ass. I want to see
That's
the
a weird
leveling.
one.
You know what? Jared's ass isn't even weirder looking back, so. Whatever, the lobby. Oh, look at it go.